Islamabad, Moscow sign agreement to restore Pakistan steel mills project. The Pakistani embassy in Russia announced on Friday that the two countries have signed protocol to restore in Pakistan steel mills PSM in Karachi, in what it called was a reaffirmation of their long-standing industrial partnership. The agreement was signed at the Pakistan embassy in Moscow by Pakistan's Secretary of Industries and Production, Saif Anjum, and Vadim Velikko, General Director of Industrial Engineering LLC from the Russian side. The event was attended by SAPM Harun Akhtar Khan and Pakistan's ambassador to Russia, Muhammad Khalid Jamali. The project seeks to restart and expand steel production, Hindustan Times reported. Khan said, "Reviving PSM with Russia's support reflects our shared history and commitment to a stronger industrial future." The Pakistani embassy in Russia notes that PSM, built with Soviet help in 1973, stands as a lasting testament to the enduring ties between Pakistan and Russia. Earlier this month, Pakistan and Russia agreed to collaborate on establishing a robust rail and road network to link the South Asian country with Central Asia and Russia, providing landlocked states direct access to warm waters, a media report said on Friday. Federal Minister for Communications Abdul Alim Khan and Russian Deputy Minister of Transport Andriy Sergeyevich Nikitin met on the sidelines of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization SCO Ministerial Conference in Tianjin, China, and agreed to speed up infrastructure development in the region to boost trade and economic integration. The initiative aims to transform Pakistan into a strategic transit hub by enhancing trade corridors and logistical routes extending to Russia and Central Asia, Geo News reported. According to PTI, Abdul Alim Khan stated that Pakistan's modernization efforts include digitizing transport infrastructure, introducing barrier-free motorways, mandatory A-tagging, and comprehensive CCTV surveillance. He said the reforms were part of Pakistan's broader goal to optimize regional connectivity and cross-border trade. Swipe left for next video. Meanwhile, last month, Pakistan and Afghanistan agreed to advance the Uzbekistan-Afghanistan-Pakistan UAP rail project. In a phone call, Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister Ishaq Dar and Afghanistan's acting Foreign Minister Amir Khan Muttaqi agreed to work towards early finalization of the framework agreement. Latest blogs.